Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create and manage purchase orders. Firstly, we need to open purchase module from here. We can create purchase order starting with the creating request for quotation or create it directly from here. We need to click on the new button. Here you can see various fields we need to fill in. We need to choose the vendor or the deadline and expected arrival. If we click here, a confirmation email will automatically send to the vendor asking him to confirm the exact date. Well, after that, you should choose products here. When everything is done, please click this button to confirm order, and you will see that the status has been changed from request for quotation to purchase order. Alright, we have created a purchase order. We can also see this purchase order here and see its status. Thank you for watching.